Hey friends, welcome to my channel. I'm making this video after a long time for you all. In this video, I'm going to tell you two interesting facts about KitKat. So, as KitKat says, you deserve a break. So, let's enjoy this break with this video. Do you know the name of the country which is the largest consumer of KitKats? Pause this video and think for a minute. So for those of you who are thinking that it's Japan, let me tell you, Japan is the second largest consumer in the world. First one is UK. Though Japan has more than 300 varieties of KitKats, and there you can make your own KitKat. Still, on number one, it's their home country, UK. Here comes the another question. How many of you know about blue KitKats? Here's an interesting story behind this. During the Second World War, there was shortage of milk. The KitKats began to produce their chocolates without milk. Dark chocolates were used. Also, they changed their packaging from traditional red to blue, and that's how the blue KitKats were born. To know more interesting facts and stories about KitKats, just visit my website. You can find the link in my description. Don't forget to share my website with your friends, families, and in your contacts. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share the content as much as you can. Till then, see you soon. Thanks for watching.